Graphing linear equations. So, ang ating given na table ay ating itong kukumpletuhin. Okay, itong given dito na value of x. Substitute lang natin gamit itong slope, intercept na ating equation na y equals 3x plus 1. Okay, so substitute natin ganito. 3 times 1 plus 1 that is equals 4. Next, ito namang 0. 3 times 0 that is 0 plus 1 that is equals 1. Next, ito namang negative 1. 3 times negative 1 equals negative 3 plus 1. Magkaiba yung sign that is negative 2. Nag-subtract tayo. Next, ito namang negative 2. 3 times negative 2 that is negative 6 plus 1. Kinopya lang natin, then ating lang i-subtract, i-combine, then magkaiba yung sign that is negative 5. So itong ating mga points, ordered pairs, ating ngayon ipa-plot dito sa ating graph. Ganito po, 1, 4, ito po yung ating first quadrant. Itong 0 and 1, ito ay sa y-axis. Then itong negative 1, negative 2, ito ay sa third quadrant. Okay? Next, itong negative 2 and negative 5, also third quadrant. Ngayon, ating nang i-connect by using itong arrow.